How to iterate over a list in chunks. I have a Python script which takes as input a list of integers, which I need to work with 4 integers at a time. Unfortunately, I don't have control of the input, or I'd have it passed in as a list of 4-element tuples. Currently, I'm iterating over it this way. It looks a lot like cthink, though, which makes me suspect there's a more Pythonic way of dealing with this situation. The list is discarded after iterating, so it needn't be preserved. Perhaps something like this would be better. Still doesn't quite feel right, though. Uneasy face. Related question: how do you split a list into evenly sized chunks in Python?
Another way.
Works with any sequence.
Modified from the recipes section of Python's Iterate docs. Example. Note: on Python 2 use zip_longest instead of zip_longest.
Okay.